when you got selected, you went to the NDA. What was life there like? So it's great to have an exposure and an idea of what it's going to be like because you were surrounded by people in the forces. But what did you find surprising, or what did you find different or unexpected about the life in NDA?
Everything.
Everything.
Because when you talk of being surrounded by the army, I was surrounded by the army as an army kid. And then I had the perks and privileges of what probably my father's rank was at that time and the environment. But when I went to NDA, it was grassroots. I went from a boarding school. I thought I was pretty good in sports and outdoors. But when I joined the NDA, and you have the pulls and pressures of not only academics because you are doing a graduation course, you're now put into a lot of physical training, grueling physical training, marching, military training, weapon training, and whole lot of stuff. And then you have the seniors who are breathing down your neck, the sudden discipline. I was like a duck out of water. And for the first year, I was put into a weak squad, physically weak squad, because I couldn't clear my tests. Like you said, though I was brought up in an environment, it was not the same environment.
It was a shock.
It was totally different. And the interaction that you have with the other cadets who come from different parts of India, different backgrounds, different mindsets, that takes a lot of adjustment to be done. So that is one of the bigger challenges, I would also say.
So life wasn't easy.
Not at all. Not at all. The first 1 year, 1.5 years is pretty tough. And then you get into the groove and then, you are part of the system then. Then it becomes comfortable and like you're in your comfort zone.
Right. And what do you think of Bollywood's representation of these academies? Is that close to what it is really, or?
Well, I would feel they do a pretty okay job because they show you some glamour of it. They show you a little bit of ragada also. They show you the discipline part, but there is much more than what they show you. I think in every aspect, less the glamour.
Right. Retrospect, when you're telling, you can gloss over the ugly parts a little bit and glamorize certain parts a little more.
Yeah.
Which is your, speaking of Bollywood, which is your favorite Bollywood movie around army or on army?
There is one which was made by this guy, Nana Patekar, Prahar. Yeah.
I haven't seen.
Very realistic. You should see it. He spent a lot of time training to play the role. And it's to do with the commando training and then how it's based around an army officer. And of course, they show his training in other aspects. And also then how he finds himself to be a little bit of misfit in the CV street later. It's a nice movie.
Right.
I loved it.
Yeah.
And of course, then more recently, this, on the line of control, I forget the name, this guy... Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah,
he played LOC or one of these movies,
Yeah, I've also not been in touch with Bollywood much, But okay, wonderful. If you enjoyed watching this little clip, I'm pretty sure you'll love the full video. You can watch the full video by clicking somewhere around here. I think it should be on the right.